Hello everyone. At this video we're going to see how we can import the assembly into Abaqus. I mean at the version I have at least, or I asked from a lot of friends, they can't directly import a CATIA assembly into Abaqus. I mean, for example, when we want to save a CATIA assembly, it says we can save it for A and B and C formats. They are just examples. And when we need to import a assembly into Abaqus, it says I will accept X and Y and Z. So they can't cover each other, at least directly. So what we do now, here at CATIA we have a assembly which is fully defined, fully constrained. It have everything it have said, have each layer will affect each other and so on. Okay, for doing this we have to first save it as an STP format, as I did already. Then we're going to here for I make it 0 for it will be fully understanding. Okay, we're going to import. We do it as part. We do it as part as STP. When there is save it here. If we need to change options of it, like into one single part or separated parts, change it deformable, district and so on, or change scales of it, we can do it here. If not, we do it and it will load. Okay, now we have the parts in here, but that's not our point. We go to assembly. Just like how we do it in normal, we go here and we select all and apply. That's all. We have it right here. Now you may ask, if I do a simulate at here, will the mesh of each part will be affected? Yes, it will. I mean, I will open one I already did. As you can see, in impactor and the bumper beam, each of them, the meshes are affected. As you can see, all of them are affected. So this way we can import a CATIA assembly into Abaqus. I hope it was useful for you, and thanks for watching.